Hair dryer on fire. Today is gonna be the best day ever. Like, literally, the best day ever. I'm going to a restaurant with my friends. I have to be so fashionable and beautiful. Okay, I'm coming at 7 o'clock. All right, great. So I'll be there at like 7 o'clock, and yeah, right now it's 6:30. I just have half an hour to get ready. Oh my gosh, I'm almost gonna be late. I have to go take a bath, take a shower, and make my skincare, and then OMG, I have to just wear my clothes and shoes, and oh my gosh, I have a lot of stuff to do. Straighten my hair, my fuzzy hair. Oh my gosh, what am I waiting for? Let me just put my phone down and go get ready. Right, put my phone down. Okay. All right, I have to go get ready now. All right, I'm gonna go undress myself and then take a really warm bath. All right, quick, I'm late. Don't have time for anything. I think I put too much. Look at all those bubbles. All right, now I'm gonna rinse myself. Whoa, I'm covered with bubbles. Well, guess enough shower for now. The bubbles are all rinsed. I just need my towel. All right. All right, well, here's my towel. Well, I guess it's time to change now. What shall I wear? I need dresses that I never wore. You know what? I had enough of dresses these days. I'll just get, some trousers and a top. They really look good. Wow, this outfit is amazing. Better than an itchy dress. How about some sneakers? Fabulous. All right, and now I'm gonna go do my makeup, straighten my hair. Well, here's my mirror. How about a spray of perfume first? Ugh. This brush doesn't work at all. My hair is so tangled. I don't really look that good with tangled hair. Neither does this mirror work. I'm just gonna go straighten it. But first, how about makeup? Before makeup, I have to do some skincare and moisturize my face. So this is where I'll be doing my skincare. It's gonna be awesome. And I need some creams from here. So this cream is called, let's see, Tippy. This is called Malaysia. I bought them from the store yesterday. They were so expensive. So hopefully they remove my pimples from the face or decrease them at least. Let's use Tippy first. And now the moisturizer. Ooh. Ooh, it's red color. Skincare all done. Now, time to straighten my hair. Makeup also. Lipstick makes me smile. Some dark black mascara. Eyeliner and blush. Pink blush to make me blush. And my eyebrows. All done. Now it's time to straighten my hair with this hair straightener. All right. Wait a minute. I just remembered. How about I use something different for my hair today? No hair straighteners today. There. I'm going to use my old hair dryer. I never used it for a really long time, and I just remember how nice it used to blow on my hair. Since I took a shower, I'm gonna blow it with the hair dryer and then brush it. That would be even better than using a hair straightener. I think I remember where I put that. Do you think you guys know where I put it? Well, it's right over here. The couch. See something off? Well, here is the clue. I'm gonna reveal the surprise about the secret of this couch. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Whoa! Here it is, the hair dryer. The old hair dryer I never used. I wonder how will this work? I just need to plug this hair dryer. Plug it in. Here is the electricity where you plug it. All right, I plugged it in, and now it's time to turn it on. What's going on with the hair dryer? It stopped working. What's inside? What's going on? Oh my gosh! Fire! Fire is starting! It's blowing fire! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's burning my hair! What to do? Drop it! Oh my gosh! What to do? Oh my gosh! What's going on? Charcoal on the floor! Sis, can I come in? Maybe? I'm coming, okay? No! It smells like something is burning. It really smells like something's burning. What's going on, Elizabeth? Leah, you don't understand? What have you done? You don't understand, Leah. Half of my hair burnt. The hair dryer is blowing fire. It's on fire. My hair. My beautiful hair. Oh my God. My hair. Oh my gosh. There are some black stains and ashes on the floor. Quick, turn it off, turn it off. How? Unplug it. Hit. Oh my God. Oh no, my phone's ringing. Oh my gosh, where is my phone? Oh, there it is. Oh, hello. Ella. Oh no. I'm so sorry I'm late. Just something really bad happened. My hair dryer, it started to blow fire. It was on fire, and I think I'm so late for the party in the restaurant. I don't think I can make it. Oh, sorry. Since when have you had that hairdryer? Well, 20 years ago? What? Oh my gosh, that's why it stopped working. You shouldn't use old hairdryer like that without experimenting if it blows fire. You know that the old hairdryers, they always blow fire. Ugh. Well, if we could have didn't unplug that, the whole house could have burnt. And the whole house would be on fire. I'm sorry, Leah. I'll never do that again. I'm sorry. Next time, I'll try to be careful, okay? I'm just so late for the party. Maybe I can make it. Maybe. Let me just go get a purse. Maybe hair straighteners are better. Oh, won't forget to try it first. Let me wipe this. Oh, all clean. Guess everything's okay. Oh dear. But my hair is not okay. My precious hair. Maybe it can go back. Whatever. No need for that. Okay. At least my hair is still good. Oh my gosh, I should have used the straightener. I should have just went back in time. The whole house would have been on fire. It really scared my heart. I'm gonna go lay down. I don't think restaurants for me anymore. All right, I'm going. Well, make sure to not use electrical things with heat, especially. It might blow fire. Hey everyone! Make sure to not use any hair dryers or any heat stuff, especially when you go to a restaurant and straighten your hair with it. Not quite. Well, make sure to use your hair dryer with an adult. Well, since we are big enough and old enough to use it, so I guess next time, whenever your hair dryer blows fire, you have to unplug it very quickly and make sure not to take your belongings when your house is on fire. Good that our house wasn't on fire. Thank God, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.